Good evening. So we are here in Bukid Tumana, and I just wanted to share the light setup that we have. So meron tayong mga video for these lights para makita natin yung actual. Ito yung primitive Summit Glow na 5,000 milliampere, and then the string light is from Primitive. I think that is approximately 10 meter long. Yan. So this primitive lamp, camping lamp, apat siya. Yan. So parang perimeter lamp natin siya para maganda ang ambience. Hindi naman yung super liwanag, but you can, by the way, that's the lowest setting, no? So sa lowest setting, I'm confident it will last for 5 days. So, kasi gagamitin mo lang naman siya ng 12 hours from 6 to 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. and then times 5, kayang-kaya niyan sa lowest settings. Pero kung sa highest, siguro mga 3 days. And then ito naman primitive, so may dalawa siyang option na light. So this time string light lang gamit namin, hindi na dito kasi hindi naman kailangan, at para makatipid din ng battery. And then we have here the mountain hiker. So screw type siya, kaya merong stand, parang corn lamp. Mountain hiker, ayan. So naka warm setting lang din siya. And then we have here the Nightcore LR40, 4,000 milliampere, stepless dimming din. So for now naka warm, kagaya din itong mga primitive. So primitive na camping lamp, and then primitive na string light. Mountain hiker, I think this is 2,500 milliampere, and then 4,000 milliampere. And then we have lock chaser na corn lamp din na nasa loob, and then a Decathlon lamp indoor. So ito siya, yan. Alright, so very nice yung ambient lighting niya. Then you can just set it to the highest brightness kapag gagamitin nyo. Halimbawa kakain na kayo, ayan. So okay siya. So kayo naman, share nyo naman yung sa inyo para budulin natin ang bawat isa. Alright, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.